Is someone there?
Dangerous here.
What is? Why? Hang tight. I'm gonna see if I can find a key.
I'm sure the key is pretty close. What am I doing? Okay. I thought I was gonna pull it down for like a secret entrance or something. Ah, cool book.
Okay.
These gifts of Mickey Rage and the Resub Hominix.
What the hell is
The
this?
Resub Zythal. Thanks, Resub Tastin.
Gross. Huh? What was that?
Is she in the metaverse? I don't know, I'm not far enough along to know the full lore. But I guess this could be the blockchain. Thanks, a resub. Shoot.
What's this?
Looks like a bad drawing from a kid. Thanks, resub advance. And long arm Dave.
Thanks. Thank you.
It's me!
You look just like me. Who are you? I'm Rose.
No, I'm Rose.
What's going on here? Must keep moving. But too dangerous here.
Man, I am really yawning up a storm. Can you believe that shit, Rose? What's up with that, huh?
Wait up!
She is zooming.
Help me lift. Hey, wait, where are you going?
How's your stomach doing? It's alright. We didn't eat that Burger King today. That was a couple days ago. I was fucking miserable from that though. I was miserable all day.
Fuck.
Whew.
There are more, and y'all look just like me. Do you know what's happening here? The switch handle. Hey, are you listening to me? It's gone.
Thanks, resub cricket. Switch handle, eh? These tier 1 Snorix.
So many bodies.
Oh no! That me got fucked up.
Oh god.
Thanks for resub Super Wandon. And the 5 gift subs make you rage. Thanks for that. I'm coming, me. No! Oh, it's like a Dementor. Oh, shit. And a Patronus charm? Wow. I can see the inspiration. Oh, fuck! Shit! Ah! I'm not in a rush. This guy's really struggling, honestly. Like, don't feel, you know, super... Oh, what the fuck? There's so many now!
No way. Oh my god.
Really scooted out of there.
A dead end. No. Stay back.
Blast him again.
What on earth?
Oh! It's me again.